Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice algebra problem which is a viral maths problem, that is x squared minus x cubed is equal to 36. So here how to solve the value of x. Now here we have x squared minus x cubed is equal to 36. So if we just shift this 36 to our left hand side, we get x squared minus x cubed minus 36 is equal to 0. Now this 36 can also be written that x squared minus x cubed and minus 36 is equal to 27 plus 9. So 27 plus 9 is equal to 36 and this equation is equal to 0. So here we have x squared minus x cubed, and minus, applying this minus into parentheses, we get minus 27 and minus 9, which is equal to 0. Now x squared minus x cubed minus this 27 can be written as 3 cubed and 9 is 3 squared is equal to 0. Now if we just write this x squared with this minus 3 squared and this x cubed with 3 cubed, then we have x squared minus 3 squared. It is our first pair, and this minus x cubed, if we just take minus is common, then we have x cubed, and this minus time minus is plus 3 cubed. So here we have two that pairs, so we have to solve these two pairs, as we know that by exponential laws, that algebraic laws, if we have a squared minus b squared, it will be equal to a plus b times a minus b. So here we have x cubed, which is a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b times a squared minus a times b plus b squared. Now applying these two formulas, so in our first this pair x squared minus 3 squared, we just use this algebraic formula. So we have x plus 3 times x minus 3, and here we have minus x cubed plus 3 cubed is actually a cube plus b cubed, so we just write x plus 3 multiplied by x squared minus 3 times x plus 3 squared is 9, so it is equal to 0. So this step we have just get this one. Now if we see that this x plus 3 and x plus 3 is common term, so we just take common outside bracket, which is x plus 3. Now we have x minus 3, and here we get minus x squared minus time minus is plus 3 times x, and minus time plus is minus 9 is equal to 0. Now x plus 3, if we just add like terms here, so we get here minus x squared, we just write in start, because according to just setting our order here, so we have minus x squared, this plus x plus 3x, we have plus 4x. Now minus 3 minus 9 is minus 12, which is equal to 0. Now we have two possible cases, that this x plus 3 first factor is equal to 0, and second one is minus x squared plus 4 times x minus 12 is also equal to this 0. So here we have x is equal to shifting plus 3, we get minus 3, so it is our first value of x, which is x1, and it is a real solution. It is a real solution, so we get a real solution here. Now by solving our second equation, it is actually a nice quadratic equation. So if we just multiply minus 1 on both hand side, so we get, here we have 0 times minus 1, so minus times minus is plus x squared minus 4x and plus 12 is equal to 0 times minus 1, we know that it is equal to 0. Now here using quadratic formula, so here value of a is equal to 1 because coefficient of x squared is 1, and value of b is minus 4 because coefficient of x is minus 4. Now c is constant, which is plus 12. So using quadratic formula, as we know that according to quadratic formula, x is equal to that minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. Here we have values of a, b and c. If we just used here, then we have minus b is minus time minus 4, plus minus b squared is actually here minus 4 squared, and we have minus 4ac. So here 4 times a is 1, c is 12. So all over 2 times a is 1. Now we have our next step is here. So here x is equal to that minus time minus is plus 4 plus minus square root of minus 4 squared is equal to 16, and minus 4 times 12 is equal to 48, all over 2 times 1 is 2. So here we have 4 plus minus 16 minus 48 is equal to minus 32 square root all over 2. So our next step is x is equal to 4 plus minus minus 32 can also be written as that 16 times 2 and times minus 1. Here we just write under square root separately. So here we have all over 2. So our next step will be x is equal to 4 plus minus, we just write square root of 16 times square root of 2 times square root of minus 1 is equal to iota all over 2. So our next step is 4 plus minus square root of 16 is 4 times square root of 2 I all over 2. Now if we take 2 is common, so we have 2 taking common, then we get 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 2i all over 2. Cancelling 2 with 2, we have the value of x is 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 2i. So it is our second and third solution of x, and we see that it is a complex solution. Here we get a complex solution. Now we have three possible solution here, that our real solution is x1, which is 3 minus 3, sorry, it is minus 3, and x2 is here 2 plus 2 times square root of 2i, and we have x3 is 2 minus 2 times square root of 2i. So it is our final answer, but we have to just verify our answer. Just to verify this problem, we have to use this just on the real value. So I take on real value here for verification. So let's verify. Our problem is x squared minus x cubed is equal to 36 when x is equal to minus 3. So here we have minus 3 squared minus times minus 3 cubed is it equal to 36. Now our next step will be, here as power is even, so here we get 3 squared is minus 3 squared is plus 9, and here we have power is odd, so we get minus 3 cubed is 27 is it equal to 36. Now 9 minus time minus is plus 27 is equal to 36. Yes, it is equal to 36 because 9 plus 27 is equal to 36. So 36 is equal to 36. Hence our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we have find out that our real value minus 3 is valid here, as well as we just write this complex values here. We have three possible solutions. It is our answer. So we have to check our entire solution here step by step. So and that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.